Hello friends, welcome back to Front of Health. Hope you are preparing for AIAPGET 2020 in a very serious mode. So we hope that you have seen all our previous videos. We'll be coming up with more question paper analysis and more tips and tricks for AIAPGET 2020 preparation. So today's video is also going to help you in your preparation. So today we are planning to discuss about 21 question papers, that is 2550 questions you must study before AIAPGET 2020. Before starting the video, let me tell you, these are the question papers which appeared in the homeopathy competitive examination field in previous years. Some are very old, like 2004, 2005, 2006, but some are from 2014, 15, 16, and some are from 2017, 18 and 19. So please watch this video fully and you try to go through these question papers, these 21 question papers before this 2020 AIAPGET. The exam we are expecting in the end of July month or in the August month. So arrange your preparations accordingly by expecting the examinations on in the August first week or July end. So we will go to our video without wasting much of your time. So now you don't think about 2550 questions, a big number. So we have only hardly 2 months and will I be able to finish this? Don't think like that. Just follow the study plan which we are going to tell you and you will be able to finish these questions. Be assured that if you can do these 2550 questions, it will help a lot in your exams. But it is not a last word or it is not a final question bank which we are going to tell you. This should be an addition to your preparations and we believe that it will worth it. Go through these question papers and work out these in the way we are telling and in the method of study plan which we are telling, and let us know if it is helping you. So in this 2550 questions, we will be having a set of 3 question papers with 50 questions each. So we have 150 questions from that session and the next 15 question papers with 100 questions. So 1500 questions and 3 question papers with 300 questions each. That is 900 questions in total. So we will be having in a total of 2550 questions. So where to find these questions? We will be telling how to search in Google for this and find out this, and how to study. So how to study these questions also we will be telling in between. So go through this video and make use of this method. So the first one is Materia Medica workshop. That is having 3 parts, each consists of 50 questions. So we have in total 150 questions. So where you can find it? You have to search in Google like this, Materia Medica workshop Homeo book. So you will be seeing the screen. You can see the first part, second part and third part. So don't go behind other links or other things which appear on the screen in the Google result. We have around 26,600 result in 0.35 seconds. So don't waste your time in this time. Only 1.5 or 2 months you have in your hand. So only these 3 you are going to see. Don't get distracted by other links or other interesting things about Materia Medica workshop and all. So we are aiming at these 3. So this is going to be the 3 parts. I'm not going to detail. You have to work out, you have to do your hard work on this. So I'm just guiding you where you can find and how you can find. This is the keyword for Google search. Hope it is clear. So the first one, 150 questions, Materia Medica workshop part 1, 2, 3 in homeobook.com. So the second session is Kerala PSC tutor post in 2004, 2005, 2006 and 2011. These years there were Kerala PSC tutor post examinations. So we have 12 examinations which were conducted in different names, subjects. So I will be telling you in detail which all are the subjects. So those subjects, if you go through, you can get the basic questions from that subjects and some of the very important repeatedly asked questions, and it will make you a wonderful question bank in your hand, because most of the questions of these subjects were taken from books like Salgunan, SAR series, etc. So these questions were found to be asked in the AIAPGET 2017, 18, etc. So only we are telling you to go through these questions. I will tell you in detail after the Google search keyword session. I will be telling which are the 12 question papers. So the keyword for searching this tutor post examination is Kerala PSC tutor question papers Homeo book. This keyword if you put, you can get so many results, but don't get distracted as I said earlier. So 2011, 2004, 2004, 2005, like this we can get so many results. So I will be telling you which are the 12 examination papers, and only those 12 papers you download and go through that. So the Kerala PSC tutor post question papers, first one is Materia Medica, which happened in 2004, Repertory 2004, Pharmacy 2004, and Obstetrics and Gynaecology 2005, Practice of Medicine 2005, Organon 2005, Organon Re-Exam 2005, Physiology and Biochemistry 2005, Forensic Medicine and Toxicology 2005, Social and Preventive Medicine 2006, Tutor Post Exam October 2011, tutor post exam in December 2011. So in total 12 examinations, 100 questions each, 1200 questions. So don't go behind any other question papers other than this which appears in the Homeo book. If you have more time, if you can finish it, it's okay, well and good, but according to this plan, the 2550 questions, only these 12 question papers you focus on, so that you can get a wonderful question bank after finishing study on these question papers. So the next third session I want to tell you is AIAPGET 2017, 18 and 19 question papers. So all these questions were 100 into 3 papers, 100 questions each, so 300 questions. But the coming year 2020, this year exam will be having 120 questions. So you have to expect more questions in Materia Medica, Organon, Repertory, etc. and Practice of Medicine. So prepare accordingly. So last 3 years AIAPGET was having only 100 questions each. So you must go through these 3 question papers, so that you can search like AIAPGET question papers Homeo book. So the result will be like first one, then second one, and the third one 2017, 18 and 19. Don't go behind other question papers as I said earlier. So very important, the fourth session, these question papers, 3 question papers which each are containing 300 questions each. So you are getting 900 questions which are from the every field or every area of homeopathy syllabus or BHMS syllabus. So you must go through 2014, 15 and 16 Kerala MD entrance question papers from Homeo book. But let me tell you, if you have more time, if you have if you can finish the topics and these question papers earlier, you should go through Delhi University and West Bengal University question papers, which are also equally good, and very good questions were there in that question paper. So next is Kerala MD Homeopathy question papers Homeo book. This is a keyword, and if you search you can get 2015, 16 and 14 questions. So answer keyword is also there. So you should go through these 3 question papers. I feel the study plan which we are going to tell you will be more effective when you deal with these question papers. There are 21 question papers. If you don't have a proper plan, you cannot finish it, and if at all you are falling short of time, you may feel very bad in the end. So better to follow this study plan which we are telling you. So go through this study plan properly and kindly try to do this, and if it is working out, please let us know your feedback. So first you may study the previous 3 years AIAPGET question papers, that is start from the last year. So go in a reverse order, 2019, 18 and 17. Finish these question papers first. So you will be ending with, you will be finishing 300 questions. So next is Kerala MD entrance 2016, 15, 14. Again in a reverse order. From here we are going 2019, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14. So it will be like Kerala MD entrance soon after the AIAPGT, because these 6 question papers are very important. So you are covering 900 plus 300, 1200 questions. So next you are going to do Materia Medica workshop part 1, part 2, part 3, 50 questions each, 150 questions. These are very important. The questions are in every type of questions you can see, like assertion reasoning, match the following, direct questions, and multiple options, UPSC style. Every style of questions you can see in this workshop. 3 questions are there. These are from the authors of Crack the Entrance book, like Dr. Jitesh. So it's very important. So you should go through this Materia Medica workshop. So the next and last one is the 12 question papers from Tutor Post PSC, Kerala PSC. That also I suggest you to go through in the reverse order, 2011 to 2006, 5, 4. Like that you go. So it will help you in your studies. So you are completing 100 into 3, 300 into 3, 50 into 3, and 100 into 12, total 2550 questions. So we wish you all the best, and if at all anyone wants to add some tips for the students who are preparing for AIAPGT 2020, please comment below the comment section, and it will help our students who are appearing the exam this year. Thank you for watching the video. We expect to listen your feedbacks and comments in the comment section. Thank you.